Hi, I'm Noah Michael from DreamWall. We're here at Infocom and we're standing in front of our cool LED. This is 162 inches diagonal and it's only powered by one 20 amp circuit. This has been on for 3 days straight. I feel absolutely no heat. Now the runtime of one of these walls is over 100,000 hours. You have a 5-year warranty, so you have nothing to worry about if something were to go wrong. But sometimes things do happen. So what if something happens? I want to rest your mind and I want you to feel at ease of what to do. People get intimidated when they look at a wall this big or even bigger and they think, if a pixel dies or if there's something that's discolored, how do I fix it? Well, when you order your DreamWall, you get a percentage of extra modules that come with your wall and extra parts. So what I want to show you is exactly what to do if something goes wrong and that process. We take the suction cup, we put it right on, and we pull off. Boom. Now you're in the Terminator. You think you're watching a direct view LED, and here's the machine behind it. So if something were to go wrong, you have those extra modules, you take it, you put it right back on, and voila, the screen is back. What do you do with your repairable module? Is you send it to me, or your damaged module, you send it to me at DreamWall HQ in Houston, Texas. I will take that module and then I will send it to our factory and it will get it right back to you within 60 to 90 days. So you can still have this module repaired along with the extra modules that you have to replace if something happens. So let's take this, we're gonna put it right back on, push it back in. Very durable, as simple as that. Thanks for tuning in. We got more to come.